Hi everyone, my name is Trey with Peace and Make, and in today's video I'm going to talk about this year I bought so many outerwear patterns, and I just wanted to share that with you all, and then I'm going to organize it and put it away in my pattern box. So yeah, I'm going to go through those. If you're interested, keep watching. If you're like me, you like to think about styles and patterns, this video is for you. So the first pattern that I want to talk about is this Butterick pattern. And it is a backstory. I used to have a lot of outerwear, like blazers and jackets and coats, and as my weight has fluctuated throughout the years, I just do not have like most of those things that I used to wear. So now that I sew, one problem that I experience is that a lot of them will be short on my arms, and so now I get the opportunity to make them long enough for my body. So yeah, I want to show you all this fabric that I bought. I bought it like a year ago. It's from Core Fabrics. So I bought it for this pattern specifically, and I probably have enough to like make a cute little skirt with it as well, but we'll see. I believe that it's wool, and I'm very excited to make that. It's just a very simple jacket, and that's like exactly what I need. I have another simple pattern. Well, most of these are pretty straightforward, but the construction may not be that easy, but the lines are very clean lines. So I have this McCall's jacket. It also, if you all can see that, it has a hood on the back if I want to include that. So we'll see. I really like this look, and it also has like this cute vest option as well. It is McCall's M8532, and this first one is Butterick B7008. So my first vest pattern is this one, Butterick 6901. This has been in style for years at this point, and I finally hopped on the bandwagon and was like, oh, I like vests now, like 3 years later. So I decided to purchase that for like layering, or in the summertime you can wear it like how she has it right here. And in the wintertime I can wear it with long sleeve shirt or under a blazer. So some of the cool things, it's actually not just a vest pattern, it also is shorts and pants. A lot of times I'll just draft my own pants because I don't feel like making fit adjustments to the pants and the shorts, but I may do that now. We'll see how I feel time wise once I start getting into it and making it. Another pattern that I have is Butterick B7027. It's another vest pattern, but the way that it's different, let's see, it's longer than this one. Also, I think I can dress it up more. Well, both of these can be dressy. It's longer, that's like the main thing. And it's like more of a scoop neck versus a V-neck like the other one. It's just a different style. Same features, basically. It's a vest. A vest is a vest. Is a vest. I just didn't feel like adjusting the pattern on my own, so I bought two different style patterns that basically have the same thing. I could have self-drafted it, but at this point my time is limited, so I'm not able to do that as quickly as I would like to. This next one I'm really excited about because it is my favorite style blazer. It is like the loose fitting blazer. This one is Simplicity 8697, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oops. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry. Maybe it's upside down. Yeah, so that is my favorite style blazer. Just a loose fitting blazer, replacing one that I used to have. Actually, I'll show it to you. So this is a blazer that I used to have. I've probably had this thing for like 10 years. It was my favorite blazer, but unfortunately it no longer fits me. Yeah, or does it? Hold on. I'm looking at the size. I'm like, does this thing still fit me? No. Oh gosh. Yeah, I can't move my arms, y'all. Yeah, it doesn't fit me. So I need a new one like that. I picked this up. I think I visited when I went to Las Vegas some time ago, probably like 10 years ago. I bought this from H&M when the quality of H&M was actually better than currently. Well, in my opinion, it was better. But yeah, this is what I'm trying to replace. So yeah, that is the jacket I'm trying to replace. It used to be loose fitting and now it is too tight. So that's the one that I want to get. One thing that I do, I have saved some of the garments that I can't wear anymore, and I just put them in my closet in my sewing room so that I can use them as a reference, or if there's any not style, but like sewing things that I can't tell how to do from the packaging, I can look at the actual garment and copy that to a certain extent, or I can Google or look on YouTube to see how to do that type of feature, or ask people that sew garments. This one is New Look 6794. With the features I like for this is that the blazer is long. It's a little bit tighter fitting than the last one that I showed. Not tight, but like it's more fitted than the other one. This is the back of the line drawing. So it also seems easy to me. It doesn't have any princess seams. This is something that I got because of how simple it is to make it. But to me, putting a lining in is not simple until I guess I actually do a lining and see how simple it is. But yeah. The last one that I have is McCall's 8350. And I like this one because it is actually probably one of the harder ones because it has princess seams on the vest has princess seams. And you can see that. Yeah, compared to this vest that just has darts. This one is true princess seam, so it's going to be very fitted to the body. And this one also has the blazer has more style lines than the other ones that I showed. So one thing about this is that the jacket is higher. It's not as long as the blazer is not as long as the other blazers. So this pattern the way this jacket fits is not my favorite, but I also like to change my style up. So that's another option for me, depending on, like, maybe I want something more cropped that day, depending on what pants I'm wearing or what shoes, how I'm feeling when I woke up that morning. So yeah, these are the patterns that I hope to get through over the next, honestly, probably the next few years. It's not going to be all at once because there's also some coat patterns that I didn't show today, but I have some coat patterns that I want to get through. And one of the coat patterns, I don't even know where that pattern is. I wanted to show it, but I'm not sure where I put it. But I have this fabric that I bought from Nick of Time Textiles that has been staring me in the face for like the past year. It is so beautiful, and I want to make a coat out of it, put a lining in it. So yeah, those are my future plans. Now what I'm going to do is put those away in my box. They've been sitting on my table, and before I put them away, I wanted to show you all and also make a mental note for myself. I can come back to this video in the future, see what I was thinking. So if you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, go to my website, peaceandmake.com. I have some fun stuff on that as well. My Instagram is peaceandmake, @peaceandmake. I will see you for the next video. Bye.